I'm showing you how to build a chatbot for Teams using OpenAI assistants with Teams Toolkit for VS Code. Hey devs, I'm John Miller. You can go ahead and jump down to the description and check out the links I've already provided if you want to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's jump over to VS Code. I'm going to show you how to build this. Working with LLMs can be pretty challenging, but fortunately we have a couple tools that can help. So here I am inside of VS Code and I already have Teams Toolkit installed. You can get that from the marketplace if you don't already have it. Once you have that installed, you can create a new app and choose bot. And here I'm going to use OpenAI assistants to connect Teams and my bot to an LLM. So I'm going to use the AI assistant bot template that we have. You can choose a JavaScript or TypeScript when you're working in VS Code. And I'll just name my app test. Actually, let's name it Math Assistant because that is what the sample is. First step with the sample is we can go ahead and install the dependencies that come with the project. So npm install, and I'll go ahead and wait for that to be finished. Next, we need to create an assistant so we can connect it, and we need the ID of the assistant. You could go to the OpenAI website to do this, or this template comes with a little script, and I forget exactly how to use it. So I can open up the README file here, and I see there is a npm run create command. So I'll go ahead and copy that. And then it wants my OpenAI API key in order to create this. So I'll go ahead and paste this in and create that. And then the output should give me the ID of the assistant. Okay, so that created a new assistant for me. Here is the assistant's ID. So I'm going to copy that. And the instructions here tell me to put that inside the environment file so that way the tools can use it. And I'm going to run this inside of my local dev environment for Teams. So I'll go ahead and follow the directions and paste it into the local.user file. I'll go ahead and paste in my API key as well, so that way the Teams AI SDK can work. Save that, and now we are ready to run. If you haven't already, you'll need to switch over to the Teams Toolkit tab and sign into your M365 account for where you want to run this inside of Teams. I've already done that, so I can go to the debug tab here, and I'm just going to run this inside of Teams. So I'll go ahead and select debug in Teams and start debugging. So here's my team instance opening over here. And I can go ahead and add my app. This should open up a personal chat for my bot by default. So I can go ahead and talk to my bot. By default, our assistant is a math expert. So let's go ahead and get some math help. So what is 3x plus 11 equals 14? So what this is going to do is send my question using this Teams bot to my OpenAI assistant and get a response. And then that response is going to be outputted as a response from my bot into the Teams chat. And this is all done using the Teams AI SDK library. And there we go. The math assistant solved for x, so x equals 1. If you want more information on next steps, open up the README file, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see there's a link here and extend the AI assistant bot template. And you can go ahead and visit the documentation on the Teams AI library and see what else you can do with it. If you're building stuff with AI, like the video and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what else you'd like to see, and I will see you in the next one.